Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sirius from Brawl Stars. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the mask with a curve down and across, like this. Then from each end, let's curve it down and in towards the bottom, leaving a gap in the center. Now inside that gap, let's draw an oval shape across. And then on either side of the oval, let's draw a curve up. Now that we have the shape of the mask, let's hop in and draw the eyes. Let's start with two curves up and over. And then close off the bottom with an angled line up. Now inside, let's add another angle near the top. Then in the center, let's draw a curve down. Now let's hop in and let's draw a curve down and back up for the pupils. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. Next, we're going to hop out and let's draw a triangle on top. And then two more larger ones. And then underneath each eye, let's draw a small sideways oval. And that's it for the mask. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top. We're going to step down and draw a curve up and across. Then on top, let's draw two small angles up. And then on top, let's draw two angles up, meeting at a point. And then a line down in the center. Now for the next section, let's hop down and let's draw two small angles out from the sides here. And two angles up, meeting at a point on each side like this. And then an angle down inside each one. Now for the last section, let's draw an angle down and out on each side. And then let's bring it back in at the bottom. And one more line across inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and we're going to draw the body. Let's start underneath the mask in the center and let's draw two lines down. And before we continue the handle, let's draw the hand underneath. Let's start on the right side and let's draw a curve across and bring it down underneath. Then let's add 3 more bumps underneath for the fingers. Now let's add 2 angles out to the right for the glove. And curve it at the end. Now let's hop back in and let's finish the handle of the mask. Let's draw 2 lines underneath and an oval at the bottom. Now inside the handle, let's draw a diamond shape at the top. And another one at the bottom. Now for the bottom of the handle here, let's draw a curve down on each side. And then connect it with a curve up at the bottom. And then let's add 1 more curve across inside. And that's it for the handle of the mask. Now let's hop out and continue the body. Underneath the head on the right, let's draw a curve down and bring it back in. And another curve across inside. Now underneath, let's draw a circular curve around. And a circle inside this one. Now next to it, let's draw 2 curves up and out on the right side. And then on the left, let's draw 2 curves, bringing it out and back up to the head. And then add some curved stripes inside. Now on the right side, let's add a curve out and bring it back in with a wavy line. And another wavy line inside at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw the arm. Let's draw a curve down and back up to the glove. And then a small angle inside. Now on top of the arm here, let's draw a curve down to add the back of the cape. And that's it for the right arm. Next, we're going to move over to the left and we're going to draw the cape. Let's start with a long curve down. Then hop in and another line down underneath the mask here. And then a curve across to close off the bottom. Next, let's hop up and we're going to draw the shoulder by curving it out and back in. And add another curve inside. And then underneath, let's curve it down. Now that we have the shape of the cape here, let's move in and draw the pattern. Let's start on the top and let's draw a 4-pointed star with 4 curves like this. And then let's add a few more on the cape. Now at the bottom, let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down to the star and continue it underneath. And then 2 bumps over to the right side. And that's it for the left side of the cape. Now we're going to hop in and continue the body. Let's start under the glove here and let's draw a wavy line down. And then bring it back in and up. Then let's add 2 angled lines down for the leg. Now underneath, let's draw 2 angles up for the top of the boot. Then let's angle it down on each end. Now underneath on the right, let's draw a bump up. And close off the bottom of the shoe. Now let's hop in and let's draw another V-shaped point at the top. And then a point out and back in on the right side. And that's it for the first leg. Now for the other one, let's hop inside and let's draw an angle down next to the cape. Let's bring it up underneath and angle it down to the bottom. Now under the cape, let's draw the top of the shoe with a small curve down and close it off with a line across. Lastly, let's add 1 more angle inside at the top. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's finish off the back of the cape. On the right, let's draw a curve down. Then let's bring it back in and continue it in between the legs. And that's it for Sirius. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!